Welcome artistic documentation. Stay till the end, you will get something better. The scalability of responsive templates also supports business growth. As an online store expands, introduces new categories, or runs seasonal campaigns, responsive frameworks can accommodate additional content without breaking layout structure. This flexibility ensures long-term sustainability. Businesses can evolve their offerings without needing to overhaul the entire website. Integration with payment gateways, live chat, product filters, and recommendation engines also becomes smoother within responsive designs, creating an interconnected system that enhances conversion potential. In the broader context of customer psychology, responsive templates reinforce convenience and satisfaction, the two pillars of modern e-commerce. When users can access a store anytime, anywhere, and shop effortlessly without pinching or zooming, they associate the brand with reliability and ease, increasing the likelihood of repeat purchases. Mobile-first design is no longer a trend but a necessity, since over 70% of global e-commerce sales occur on mobile devices. A responsive website acts as a virtual storefront open 24/7, capable of reaching customers during their daily commutes, breaks, or casual browsing moments. Moreover, responsive templates support omnichannel marketing strategies. Whether customers discover a product through a Facebook ad, an email campaign, or a Google search, a consistent browsing experience across devices ensures that their journey remains smooth from discovery to checkout. This continuity strengthens conversion funnels and boosts retention rates. Businesses that fail to adopt responsive templates often experience fragmented user experiences, leading to customer frustration and abandonment. From a technical standpoint, responsive design is future-proof. As new devices with varying screen sizes and resolutions emerge, a responsive template automatically adapts to them, eliminating the need for constant redesign. This adaptability makes it a long-term investment that protects businesses from technological obsolescence. Additionally, most modern responsive templates are built with SEO-optimized structures, schema markup, and fast-loading frameworks that enhance discoverability and ranking potential. Finally, the relationship between responsive design and customer trust cannot be overstated. In e-commerce, first impressions are formed in milliseconds, and a professional, responsive site signals credibility, safety, and competence. Shoppers feel confident entering payment details, subscribing to newsletters, and recommending the site to others, and instantly raises doubts about legitimacy and drives users away. Responsive templates therefore not only enhance usability but also build long-term. Thanks for watching. If you are still watching, feel free to join us in our group and earn more.